How to change product image size in WooCommerce or WordPress website. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide on how you can change your product size or product image size on WordPress website. Now to do so here, generally what you'll have to do is you'll have to head into your WooCommerce dashboard. Now you can do so on your PC browser. I'll be explaining you, however I won't be able to show you right here. Now you want to head into your WooCommerce dashboard and then navigate to appearance option. Under appearance, customize, and under customize WooCommerce, and under WooCommerce you want to head into product images. Now there in product images section you can easily crop, resize and regenerate images automatically. Now you can see the main image width and thumbnail cropping, that you can change the image size by modifying the number. However, to resize the image you can adjust the first sections, while the other sections can be edited or managed in a different way. Now as soon as you make any changes, you can easily view how the images look right on the product images section on the same page of image settings. It helps you to check once again and adjust whenever you need as to suit the background. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.